What factors affect the labor cost of laminate flooring installation?
Hello there. Today, we're going to delve into the world of laminate flooring installation and specifically focus on the various factors that affect its labor cost. Whether you're planning a home renovation or simply curious, this video will help you understand what goes into calculating these costs.
What is laminate flooring installation?
Laminate flooring is a popular choice among homeowners due to its aesthetic appeal, durability, and relative ease of installation. However, while some choose to go the DIY route, many opt to hire professionals to ensure a seamless and efficient installation process. The labor cost of this service is influenced by several key factors.
What factors influence the labor cost?
There are several components that affect the labor cost of laminate flooring installation. 1. Complexity of the job. The more complex the installation is, the higher the labor cost. Factors such as the room shape, obstacles like stairs or pillars, or special patterns can add to the complexity. 2. Size of the area. Naturally, a larger area requires more material and time to install, increasing the overall cost. 3. Location. Depending on where you live, labor costs can significantly vary. Metropolitan areas typically have higher labor costs compared to rural areas. 4. Preparation work. The condition of your subfloor can greatly affect the cost. If the existing floor needs to be repaired or removed, it will add to the labor cost. 5. Type of laminate. The quality and type of the laminate flooring chosen can also affect the cost. High quality, special finish laminates can be more difficult to install, leading to higher labor costs.
Can you reduce the labor cost?
While many factors affecting the labor cost are out of your control, there are a few ways to potentially reduce the cost. Preparation. Do as much prep work as you can beforehand. This might include removing the old flooring or furniture from the room. Choosing a simple design. Opt for a simple installation pattern as it requires less time and skill to install. Get multiple estimates. Always shop around. Different contractors will offer different rates, so get several quotes before making a decision. By understanding what factors affect the labor cost of laminate flooring installation, you can make more informed decisions when planning your home renovation projects. We hope this video has been helpful and thank you for tuning in.